Safe for your child. The original Innobaby stainless steel fork and spoon set is made of the highest quality, food-grade 304 stainless steel, 1810 stainless, in South Korea. This product is non-toxic, BPA-free, phthalate-free, PVC-free and lead-free. Ideal for daycare and school lunches, convenient storage case makes packing on-the-go lunches a breeze and a cleaner lunchbox. Our carrying case also includes a holding tray with enough room for a napkin, perfect for on-the-go, no-mess lunches. Designed for beginners, our silverware was designed to help your child make the transition from toddler training utensils to larger silverware. With long and sturdy handles, the Din Din Smart Fork and spoons are easier for little hands to grip and hold. Durable and good for the environment, our eco-friendly stainless steel kids utensil set will not stain, harbor orders, rust or crack. Rid yourself and the environment of disposable utensils for good. Opt for dishwasher-safe stainless steel. Make it a set. Innobaby has a complete line of stainless steel toddler feeding products, including stainless steel cups, stainless steel bowls and stainless steel divided dinner plates. Buy the entire line on Amazon.com. Top reviews from the United States. Very convenient. Bought this for my bag lunch, cause I was tired of carrying loose silverware and absolutely love it. The silverware is very sturdy and case keeps them clean. I even bought some for stocking stuffers for the family.